Are you looking for a quiet coastal escape that still keeps you close to it all? Welcome to Saltgrass Landing, your new haven in beautiful Winnabow, North Carolina. Being just minutes from downtown Wilmington, Southport, and the Brunswick County beaches, you're close to everything that's important to you, while still being in the center of peace and quiet. Choose from thoughtfully designed floor plans with modern finishes, smart home features, and flexible spaces so that you could work from home, entertain friends, or just enjoy the open space. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or buying your first home, Saltgrass Landing offers the space, style, and simplicity that you need to live your way. We'd love to show you around and help you find your perfect fit. It's peaceful, it's connected, and it might just be exactly what you're looking for. Give us a call today to schedule a tour at Saltgrass Landing and find your home.